Everyone, we made it out to the campsite. Lots going on out here. We got the girly friend. We got some Abbies. Yow! Got the pelicans out here. You guys already know we had to bring the fucking sake bottle. Let's go. That opal looking just gorgeous. Oh man, can't wait. Oh, can't wait to get into some dabs. We got some burgers on the grill. Flip action. Yeah, we'll be right back. We're gonna get a couple dabs going in just a jiffy. Everybody's having a goddamn good day today. Woo! YouTubers, you know what it is. Me and Morgs, cheers. First time ever trying the Liquorman's whiskey. Stay tuned for that. All right, y'all. I got my mixed Trailer Park Boys Liquorman's whiskey. First one ever. Very good, very good. Not bad at all, actually. We got some derbs. All right, y'all, we're all heated up. Got Morgan with the switch, me on the dirty sake. Got two nice dabs ready to roll. And Morgan's switch actually comes in hopefully this week. So you guys should be seeing the white switch here pretty shortly. Cheers, everyone. Cheers to the last dab of our video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this camping. I know this one was quite a bit different, so thank you guys all for tuning in, and stay lifted, stay positive. Much love to all of you. Five subs from 100. Coming at you with a 1 gram nose dab for 100 subs. Wow. Those dabs were deadly. That's it, guys. Thank you all so much again for watching. Stay lifted, stay positive, and peace out.